How to deal with blocks when you're manifesting money? That's going to be a question for today. And Barbara, who's a wonderful client of mine, is asking me anything around this theme. So, guys, listen because this is going to be fucking awesome. And let's do this. Let's talk about blocks and manifesting money. So, what do you have, Barbara, for me?
Hi, Jana. So my first question is, how do you identify the blocking mechanisms that your subconscious mind uses to hold you back?
Okay, so I'm obligated to say, get my 3 hour session just like you did, because a couple of times, because I will find out, talking to your subconscious mind, where the problems are. And the problems will be totally different than you actually think they are. You know, the mind works in mysterious ways, and what you think your problem is actually isn't the real problem. The problem may be right here on the other side of everything. So that's why I need to talk to you. That's why I need to see you. But from practical point of view, you need to watch what you're saying. So sit down and say, what do I think about money? Well, money sucks. I never have enough of it, or I make a lot and then I lose it, or I have lots of ideas, but I never execute them and then I don't have money, or whatever comes up is your problem. There may be some more which you cannot see and are not coming up, and they may be from totally different bucket as if. But these are the main ones. And you need to pay attention. You need to pay attention when you're spending money, when you're paying a bill, or when you're buying a dress, when you're buying new mobile. How do you feel? Oh my God, that's expensive. I think I'm gonna faint. There's a block. Oh, is it worth the money? Well, there's another block. Is the economy gonna protect me or am I totally screwed? There's another block. Who has a say over money? Are the banks safe? There's another block. I feel like I work, and I never have enough money. There's another block. You need to be listening and hearing what you're saying to yourself because all the answers are there. Not all of them. All the ones you can hear. There's, of course, some you cannot hear because they're too deep and they're probably even, you think, seemingly not connected to the theme. But it could be like, I was never liked, I was never supported. People always had to scream at me when I did this, and my mother told me off for raising my voice or trying to sing. And now I'm terrified to voice my opinion, and I'm terrified to be visible. And that's why I cannot make money because I'm in a business when I need to be visible on social media and I refuse to. So, there could be all sorts of different things connected to it. It's almost never about money, actually. Blogs are almost never about money. They're about I have guilt, or I don't want to do better than my parents. I don't want to hurt anyone. I'm scared I'm gonna lose friends. I'm scared that everyone will see me only worth lots of money, but not like me as a person. I'm scared that my life will not be genuine because genuine people may not come to me, only the users will. Money could make me ill because my father worked himself to a heart attack at 55 because he worked too hard and to make us money. Money is dangerous because I saw my parents physically fighting over it. So I don't want to have money because I don't want to fight with my partner. Blah, 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 blah. Everything apart from there's no water on Mars, which I'm still waiting for someone to say. And I'm sure it's coming because people are excellent in making up excuses. So that's what you need to be looking for. Some of them you will find easily. Some of them you won't be able to find, and hence the 3 hour session. Did it make sense? Did you get an answer you were looking for?
Yes, absolutely, yes. And how do you deal with all these blocks? Do you have any suggestions?
Um, you know how I say, don't do affirmations, don't do affirmations, don't do 369-555 yellow t-shirt and microwave. I just want you to come back to who you are, which is God. And I want you to redirect from, but I don't know how to. I'm God. Would you ever say that God would be afraid to pay a bill because he doesn't have enough money? Or would you just start laughing because it's ridiculous? If I'm God, I'm not gonna behave like a someone who's terrified of paying a bill. I have to behave like God. And God got it really, didn't he? It's like, yes, this is going to happen. This is going to happen. This is going to happen. And that's how we see God or universe or source. They're not little whiny babies. No, they dictate what's going to happen. So you need to dictate what's going to happen. I no longer have any hang-ups. I no longer have any conscious and subconscious blocks. I'm getting what I want. And that's the end of story. That's how it works.
Okay. So take responsibility.
Take charge.
Take charge.
Take charge. You're supposed to be in charge of your life. But you put politicians in charge, governments in charge, doctors in charge, economy in charge, this person in charge, this person in charge. Everyone has a charge, and then I wonder why I'm stuck and feel horrible. Yeah, because you gave your power to everyone else but yourself. Well, actually, none of them exist. They're all holograms. You're the only person who exists, and you took your power and gave it to 1,000 people. And now you wonder why you feel exhausted, horrible, shit, and don't have any money. I just told you why not.
Yeah,
Make sense?
absolutely, yes.
Awesome. Anything else you want
Uh,
to ask since we're at it?
I have a last question. So, in also it has to do with blocks, and they are blocks on receiving. And how do you deal with blocks when you have to receive and the manifestation doesn't show itself?
Try to say it in a different way because I could interpret that in many different ways. Try to be more specific, please.
Okay, to how to accept receiving, how to deal with blocks on receiving.
Well, I just made a decision that I receive.
Okay, as easy as that.
Yeah.
Great.
That's
Yeah.
you guys, you see how you complicate it, how you overcomplicate everything, how I can completely step on your sandcastle in 1 second and get it done. That's how easy life is, and that's how you horribly complicate it. Yeah, I love receiving, and that's it.
Okay,
You
great.
made a decision, and all of a sudden you love receiving. I will tell you one story. Someone smart once told me, I was like, it was my birthday, and my father gave me big sum of money, and he was already working but retired. And I was like, I'm not going to take money from someone, who's in retirement age. No, that's ridiculous. I know how to make money myself. I don't want to. I'm responsible for my financial life or my wealth. I don't want someone who's retirement age to do anything for me. And she said, what? And I said, what do you mean? She said, well, he wants to give it to you. It probably makes him happy, and you're rejecting him. And I was like, oh my God. Oh my God. Me, the nicest person you can imagine, is nasty rejecting someone. It made him happy and she said, if he didn't want to give it to you, he wouldn't. He wants to help you and it makes him happy and you're rejecting him. I shut up and I instantly got the money. And it's been rule ever since because what are you doing? Oh no, I can't. Nah, 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 nah. No, not dishonest bullshit because you actually want it. You're just playing, like, no, no, no. Be nice. Stop rejecting manifestations. Stop rejecting yourself. Stop rejecting universe. Stop rejecting other people. That's all I needed to know. And
Yeah,
because no one else exists, you're rejecting yourself.
great.
Ouch.
Okay,
Right?
right.
Got it now?
Got it. Thank you very much.
Wonderful. Was it helpful today?
Absolutely, yes.
Fantastic. People who want to get coaching, just like Barbara, with me, there's 3 hour session, Manifestation HQ, all sorts of stuff. There are links in the video description. Have fun, and I'll see you next video. Bye-bye.